National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wright County in southwestern Missouri, southeastern Laclede County in southwestern Missouri, southeastern Pulaski County, northern Texas County in south central Missouri, southwestern Phelps County, until 12:30 a.m. At 11:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southwest of Fort Leonard Wood, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Competition, Roby, Beulah, Licking, Hazleton, Plato, Lynchburg, Falcon, Prescott, Success, Raymondville, and Fort Leonard Wood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The